you're ever wondering which accessories you need for your Landy, when your Landy is bog standard, this is probably as far as you can go. Have a quick look around. We've got a bumper on the front, which is a winch bumper. This thing is solid as anything. It's actually made of steel on this. 8274. We have some recovery eyes here, which has a bit of mud in it. We've got the aluminium side bonnet strips, which means you can stand on the bonnet normally, which is quite cool. This is a Puma, as you know, a higher bonnet. We've got these, which are for trees when you're going through the jungle and the trees are coming into you. It's to protect your windscreen that doesn't get broken. Light bar. This is probably 15,000 candles or whatever that is, which is very powerful. Obviously you can have any one you want. These are LEDs, very nice. Also, if you notice, the headlights, these are LED as well, which is very cool. That's not standard Land Rover, but most Landies can have that fitted, right? Here on this aluminium tread plate, these are real screws. I don't know if you can see it. Even these ones here on the air intake, real screws, which is unbelievable. We're talking about 0.2 millimeters or something, which is fantastic detail. We have a snorkel, as most of you need or want. It does help the dust for the air filter on the engine, keeps the air cooler as well, and you can go up to eye level, eyeballs into the water, right? Tree sliders. These are tree sliders, not rock sliders. They're a bit wider than the bodywork. Obviously in this case the wheels are even wider because these are massive. I saw the James Bond pumped out 110 yesterday with 37 by 12.5 Maxxis trapdoors. That's about this size, massive. What that means is you need bigger wheel arches here, eyebrows, which is a lot wider than standard, and it gives it a bit of a Arctic trucks look, don't you think? Obviously you need a roof rack, carry all the expedition equipment. In this case we have the spare tire mounted on there. We have boxes, we have recovery straps, really cool. We have max tracks in case we get stuck in the sand, which we're not bound to do because it has 2 diff locks. Another big box carrying all our expedition equipment, and around the back we've mounted our winch here, which is actually a Xeon. It's not an 8274, which is very strong, and because of that we can't put the spare wheel here, so it's on the roof. We have a couple of jerry cans, which we need for extra fuel, although we are driving an electric vehicle in essence. Farm jack, high lift jack if you like to call that, which is always handy, especially with these really big tires, because you just can't get a normal jack to work properly. Tow hitch. You never know, if we're going on expedition we might need a Sankey trailer or something. And a couple of recovery eyes to pull out other people who are stuck in the mud. And the last thing we have is along the side of the doors at the bottom here, some aluminium checker plate, and on the corner here, and we know why that is as well. And you finish it all off with a really killer paint job. Quick overview of the controls. This is forward, very sensitive. This is your steering. You can see it's steering. And then when you get stuck, a couple of diff locks. Reverse. Here it is for scale, guys. This is solid stuff. Chassis is steel, as you would expect. Body is lightweight polycarbonate, and obviously you got all the accessories on here. Give you some ideas. What can you do to your truck? Killer thing, this. Really cool. It's bigger than I expected. It's a lot more capable than I expected, which is really rather nice. So guys, check it out, man. Beautiful piece of machinery. Good fun. Low impact, if you want to call it that. And yeah, I'm really impressed with it. So I have to speak to management, see if we can wangle our way into one of these. We'll see what happens. But very nice stuff. Great. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep rolling. Catch you on the next one.